More crashes ahead, more crashes ahead. Dig, 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 dig. They're crashing in front, crashing in front.
I hope he's not gonna drive like this for real because Jesus Christ.
Crashing.
And here we go.
Clear, 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 clear. Oh, big crash just in front of you here. They're on the warm-up lane. Still flipping.
Wow. You flew really good there, Tony.
Should have a little gap behind him. Ed Carpenter, half second back. Big crash in front, big crash in front. Middle low, now middle high, middle everywhere. Nice job.
Alright. Let's go and wreck some more cars. That's what I seem to be good at.
Let's get it out of our system now because we're going to see the checkered flag today on the lead lap and up front. And then we're going to patiently wait for that virtual prize money check.
Green, green, green.
Green, 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 green. You're clear up top to Marco. +3. Oh, clear in. +2 in line. +1 with a run here. Half still in line.
Well, if he retaliates to whoever took him out, that's gonna be just in front of us. That's gonna be spectacular.
Crashing, crashing, crashing. Dig, 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 dig. Still green, still green, still green. Marco +half. Yellow's out, no damage.
I have no idea how that is possible.
Got a slower car middle, backing up. Slower car middle top, backing up, backing up. Touching in front, big crash, big crash, big crash. Hold on. Still green, still green, still green. Dig, dig, dig. Outside, outside, outside. Hunter Ray. Still there, still there, still there. Got the draft with Marco, or with the speed up meet. Pulling you past, pulling you past. New guard looking at the bottom. Clear, clear. Outside, outside, outside. Still there, still there, still there. Fighting hard, still there. Still there. Crashing in front, crashing in front, crashing in front. You're clear, clear, clear. Dig hard. Dixon's got damage. Pair off and go. You're clear up. A white flag coming out. Hunter Ray now 6/10 back. There's gonna be some action. Clear. Clears are 2 wide, 3 wide for the lead. There's cars going through the grass. 4/10 to Hunter Ray. I think he's got your draft a little bit. Crashing. Clear, clear. More crashes ahead, more crashes ahead. Dig, 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 dig. 4/10 out the back, should be clear. They're crashing in front, crashing in front. Damn it, we're not gonna get there.
Good run. Good run.
P6, bud.
P6. Hell of a run.
Well, that was pretty eventful. I can hear the whole family going bananas downstairs. It's like I won the race.
See?
I got the groupies. I got the groupies. Woo-hoo!
Oh,
Even the TV is moving.
Good job.
Very nicely done there.
nice run.
Thanks, boys. I guess we kept the best for the last.